Good morn! Another day, another mini vlog. For today's video guys, kami ni husband ay gumawa ng snowman. Isa kasi sa mga imagination ko for winter ay yung gumagawa ka ng snowman. I've experienced winter before sa Australia pero hindi siya ganito. It wasn't like this na sobrang dami talagang snow na makakagawa ka ng malaking snowman. At nakakatuwa nga si husband. Kasi siya talaga yung nag-udyok sa akin na lumabas na kami para nga naman makagawa na kami ng aking imagination na snowman. Ito pala guys ay tinatawag na crumb snow. Ibig sabihin yung pag-hug mo sa snow para makabuo ka ng snowman or ng snowball. Sobrang saya ko talaga guys and I'm so grateful na yung husband ko is what his intention is to really make me happy. Kasi alam naman natin, bilang malayo sa pamilya, 'di ba? You would be sometimes too emotional and then mag-uusap kayo ng husband mo, pag-uusapan niyo ng heart to heart na ano nang nararamdaman mo ngayon, what can he do daw para mapasaya ka. And hindi ka naman din magre-request ng mga bagay na alam mong impossible. Especially as of now, sa aming mag-asawa, we are newly married. So I still consider ourselves as newly married kasi mag-iisang taon pa lang kami as married couple this December. At alam nyo, lalo pa namin nakikilala yung isa't isa. And this time napatunayan ko na I married a good man. A good man with a good heart. Alam niyo yun, yung spiritually matured, man filled with God's love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Oh, that's the fruit of the Holy Spirit. Kasi naniniwala ako na kapag yung husband natin ay spiritually matured, yung may takot talaga sa Diyos, hindi lang yung masabi na naniniwala sa Panginoon, but the one who fear God the most ay mabuting asawa. Kasi it's important that your husband will lead you in the right path. Na dapat pareho kayo ng paniniwala, pareho kayo ng pagtingin sa buhay, kung ano ang mga important things at yung mga bagay na nagmamatter. I'm not saying that he is a perfect man, but I'm saying I've married a good man. Good man na binigay talaga sa akin ng Panginoon, yung bunga ng panalangin ko, ng family ko, and everyone around me who are hoping for my happiness. Alam niyo yun? Kaya naman, ladies out there, you have to keep praying and to choose wisely who will you marry. Kasi sabi nga sa atin sa Pilipinas, hindi ba, ang pag-aasawa, hindi yan parang mainit na kanin na kapag napasok ka ay iluluwa mo kasi hindi ka na makakabalik. And there will be a big change in your life after you get married. Kaya naman, pray for it and make sure it is the Lord's will. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Ha de bra!